Pulisic away from Cork and Tarkowski. This is worth a hit. Oh, he's done it again.
Today our foundation coaches are going to be working on dribbling, which is still one of the most important parts of the game. I always enjoy the opportunity to just run at defenders, dribbling with the ball. So please listen to these coaching tips and hopefully you can improve while you're training at home, and send in your videos if you have a go.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the first episode of Hyundai FC's Home Advantage. In partnership with Chelsea, we have put together some training videos for you to practice your skills at home. This is drill number 1, and it's going to be dribbling while using core skills to go in and out of the cones in front of me. For this setup, I have the cones one large step apart from each other to allow me to go through both ways. The first drill I'm going to practice is going inside of my feet. So to start on this, I'm going to be on my toes, and my first touch is going to be on my right foot, which is my stronger one, and it is a soft touch across my body, and then quick feet across, and then onto my left foot. Then I'm getting my chest up, getting balanced, left foot through the cones nice and softly, quick feet onto my right foot. Soft touch, quick feet. Soft touch, quick feet. Soft touch, quick feet. I'm going to have a go and practice this 5 times so I get myself comfortable and used to the technique that I am working on. So again, soft touch, quick feet. 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 Each time I'm trying to keep the ball close to the cones without going too wide. For this next core skill, I'm going to use the technique of just 1 foot at a time. So I'm going to start with my stronger right foot. I'm going to push the ball with the inside of my foot through the cones, quick feet, and then get my body in a position to be outside of the football. Once I'm outside, I'm going to push the ball back through on the outside of my foot towards my little toe to push back through and move quickly. Inside, outside, inside. I'm now going to do this on my weaker left foot. Soft touches, quick feet. So it's inside the foot, outside pushing with my toe. Inside, outside pushing with my toe. Inside to finish off. Now I'm going to challenge myself to go right foot only, dribble back quickly, then go left foot only through the cones. Inside and out. So now I've practiced inside my feet and just 1 foot at a time, I'm now going to go outside, which should look like this. This one in particular is really important. I take small touches and move my feet really quickly to get outside of the ball. The next one, we are taking 3 quick touches to get through the cones. So it's forwards, stop, outside of the other foot. Forward, stop, outside. One more time from the start. Forward, stop, outside of the other foot. I'm also going to now add in a step over. So it's touch, step, take through. Forward, step, through. Step, through. Step, through. Step, through. Looking like this when you go a little bit faster. For this next one, I'm going to introduce the sole of my foot as well. So I'm going forward, sole roll across my body onto my other foot. Forwards, roll, forwards, roll, forwards, roll. So as you can see from this drill, there is plenty of options and variety with what you can do. To make things easier for yourself, you can play around with the cones and make the gaps slightly bigger. Remember that good technique and going slowly is more important than rushing with poor technique. Here's an example of our very own Michy Batshuayi being creative and practicing his dribbling at home. This is drill number 2, and for this setup I'm going to have a start gate, which is also going to be my finish gate, and I'm going to have 4 obstacles set in a square about 5 yards or 5 steps apart. I will start in my start gate. I'm going to dribble the ball around the obstacle on my left-hand side. I'm then going to drive diagonal to the top right, back down to the bottom right, up to the top left, going around each obstacle. Once I've gone around the last obstacle, I'm going to dribble to the middle of the square and pass back through my start gate, which for me just happens to have a goal directly behind it. I come out, keeping tight to the cones. All the way round this one, all the way round. Now a little bit quicker, up to the top cone, back into the middle, finish with a pass from my target gate. For this variation, I'm going to go all the way round the bibs and obstacles, staying as tight as I can to them before moving on to the next one. Here we go. Progression 3, I've put a ball and the cone in the middle. So like the first one, I'm going round the outside, but as I get to the middle, I must do a full circle around the ball without knocking it over before moving on to the next one. Can I keep as close as possible to the ball in the middle without knocking it down? That's my challenge. Wish me luck. For this one, I'm only going to use my weaker left foot. I'm going to change the pattern slightly so that I go around the ball in the middle. I'm going to have to use the inside and the outside of my foot to keep it close to my body. I'm going to challenge myself in this drill and go one lap with just my right foot, then one lap with my left foot. Also, to get a score, I'm going to time myself while doing this. Now right foot. And stop. For this drill, I'm going to work different parts of my feet. I'm going to go round the outside of the area, using the inside of my feet down one side, the outside of my feet across the top, and the soles of my feet coming down the bottom here. Here we go. Dribbling drill number 3. The setup for this drill is a simple one, and it is a gate at one end, one step apart, some cones or obstacles in the middle for you to be able to dribble through, and a gate at the other end, one step apart. What we're looking for in this dribbling is to do a figure of 8, first through the first set of cones, dribble across the middle, avoiding the obstacles to get to the other end, and then another figure of 8. How my figure of 8 through the cones is going to work, I'm going to be on my toes and get myself light on my feet. I'm then going to go in through the cone, turn tightly around the top, back through the middle, round the bottom cone, back through the middle again, across the obstacle course, using both feet, to the top again, out and round, back through the middle in a figure of 8 motion, like so. For this variation, I'm just going to use the outsides of both my feet, remembering to take small touches and moving my feet quickly when going through the cones. So the last part of this drill, I'm going to challenge myself to dribble at speed through the obstacles in front of me, quick figure of 8 at the top, back through the obstacles and stop the ball here as quick as I can. And for the final part, we're going to combine the 3 drills that we have done so far. So the core skills, in and out of the cones, the figure of 8 dribbling, and the dribbling in a box. I've put together a circuit for me to challenge myself, and I'm going to time myself to see how I get on. I would love to see your creativity and your variations of the circuit, and I'd love to see your attempts. Here is the one I've set up for myself, and here is my first attempt at trying to compete it. Wish me luck. Go! And time. We hope that you have enjoyed these dribbling drills. We would love to see your attempts of you practicing these and improving on these skills and dribbling at home. See you next time.
I look forward to seeing your videos and share them using #HyundaiFC.